Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today I want to share what I've done off camera in my 49 and Market Folio, and then we will add 2 or 3 little journaling cards just as a finishing touch. So I already did a video on the cover, and we did these 4 little cards using the drinking straws, so there's a video for that. But all the other pages I just powered on and I wanted to get it finished, so but it's all fairly simple. A little bit of collage. It's all 49 in Market apart from this little doily here. 2 tags just tucked in there, and then on the inside page again another pocket here with 2 little tags. I'm just really going to call it a tag folio because that's all that it's really in the pockets, just the tags, and it's just a doily's been added there. Everything else again is 49 in Market, and again another little bit of collage with 2 pockets. There's a pocket here and a pocket up here with the 2 tags. 2 tags there. 1, 2, 1, 2 there. And then this page has a doily and another little bit of collage with some nice lace. When I folded it over, this was I didn't like how you could see the little bits through, so I thought I'll just put a bit of lace there, and that just covers up that page when it's folded over. And then in behind the 4 I've got a page which just comes like that from the paper pack, and then I've just done mini collages on the backs of those little flippy cards, and another wee collage here. And I'm really pleased with how it's all turned out. I think it's pretty cute. A lovely colour, the teals and the greens, and I'm going to just sit it up on my shelf. Yeah, and I think it'll look nice on the shelf. I've got a little Velcro dot that I think I'm going to do that, but we'll do that at the end. Let's do the 2 or 3 little cards that I want to do just as a finishing touch to tuck into the background of these tags here. I just want to do a bigger card just to finish it off. So we'll put that to the side, and I have my box here of things that I will need for my cards. I've got a little corner rounder. I've got the background. This is just a piece of the paper just cut into 3. I want to add a little tiny bit of a vintagey look to these because I'm going to use some rub-ons, and I thought it would be nice just to do the rub-ons on top of some of this faux vintage paper. I've got my little glue stick to stick that on, and that's my Velcro dots for the closure when we get to that. So, and I'm hoping that these rub-ons work on this paper because it's a little bit shiny. So let's just do the 3 tags together. Why not? So I want just to add, like I say, a little bit of background. So let's just tear this down, get the plainish bit off. And that will be about there. Yeah, and then we'll just tear that off like that. Grand. fact, what we'll do is we'll use that piece, I think, on that one. And we'll just do a narrower piece so that you can maybe just see that. Yes, that's better on that one. And then for this one, we'll maybe do just a strip across. Down the bottom, and that makes the three of them different. So we've got a narrow one, one with a bigger bit, and one with a littler bit. So I think we'll go for that. Okay, let's just get these bits stuck down. Yes, I had fun with the folio, but it's been lying in fact, it's been lying on top of the printer in the craft room all this time since I started it, winking up at me and go, when are you going to finish me? Oh golly. And it just takes so much longer to do it on the video, and I thought, no, let's just get on with it and then do a little show and tell, and then just finish off with these three little pieces here. Right, I'm going to round the corners. Now, do I want just the top corners rounded? Now, wait a minute, because one of them is going in here, and I need to make sure, because it won't, I need to chop a bit off of that, just from that area. I'll just chop a bit off. I forgot that one would need to be shorter. Let's just do this one this way. And let's double check that will. Yes, that's fine. Oh, crisis averted. I think I might just do the tops. Right, that one stuck a little bit. Okay, now the rub-ons. So I've got leftover bits. I've got this little one. Might put that there. I've got this, and I've got this. Well, I've got a whole page still of that. Maybe we'll keep that, and maybe we'll cut this one down. I think that's what we'll do. We'll put this one that one on there. That one there and that one there. Let's see how that goes. Fingers crossed that the rub-ons take on that shiny paper. It's not shiny, but it's not kind of rough paper. Maybe rub-ons would work better on smooth paper. Does anyone know? I don't know. Sometimes it just takes better than other times, but by and large these rub-ons are really good. And then we'll just lift the plastic and have a peek. Not yet. There we are. Yes. And I've got a wee spare bit from the rub-on there. Yeah, it's quite subtle, but I think it's pretty. And let's do this one. Right there. Oops. Oh, that one worked well. Nice. These are lovely. And final one. I remember having these, well, not like these rub-ons, but rub-ons as a child. You would buy a book and it would be a flimsy book with backgrounds, and then the rub-ons would be like little scenes from the park, or scenes from the school, or scenes from a hospital and whatnot, and you had just to decide where you were going to put all your characters and things. So even when I was 5 or 6 years old, I was playing around with paper and whatnot. These are quite nice. I quite like these. What do you think? They're lovely, aren't they? Yeah. Right, so now they can just find their home as little bits of background to these tags. So let's put this one just peeking through there. Yeah, like that. And then we need the shorter one for in here. And we want that one the other way around so that we can see. Will it go in that way? Oh yeah, it'll go in that way. That's better, and then you can see a little bit of the book and the rub-on, and then one for here. There. Nice, yes, nice finishing touch. I'm liking these. I like this one. I think this was my favourite. No, they're all nice. You shouldn't have favourites, shouldn't you not? Right, let's think about how this Velcro dot's gonna go. I've never used these. It's a brand new pack. Velcro stick-on dots. And I believe they are self-adhesive. So I am hoping that if I put one about the middle, you know how we're good at measuring things, everything gets done by eye. Now if I sit that on top of that, then that sticky bit should stick. Ah, voila. Oh, it's lifting up the doily a little bit. Oh my goodness. I think I'll need to stick that down. I'll maybe need something more than just a glue stick. Let's bring out the big boys. I probably need to wait for that to dry for a bit. But yeah, it certainly holds it. It certainly holds it closed. Well, I shouldn't be tempted to. Let's go for it. So that. Yeah, what you just need to do is just stick your nail in or finger in just to grab that little bottom piece of Velcro, because otherwise it's going to lift that whole page up. These Velcro dots are really strong, I hadn't realised. Anyway, there we are. I think I'm going to have to do something to that. In fact, it's still wet. What to do is let it dry. Liz, let it dry. Right, so that's the 49 in Marketffolio finally finished. I hope you've enjoyed having a peek at what I did with the rest of it. Obviously you could make these much more complicated and have lots of envelopes and flaps and flips and all sorts of things, but I was happy with just doing my little collages, and I just wanted something decorative for the shelf, and so it fits the bill for that. So thanks for joining me today, and if you've liked the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.